In less than 1 minute, I'm gonna do 2 things. Make a delicious, healthy, cooked to perfection meal, and show you why this Yeti pressure cooker is the kitchen appliance you've always dreamt of. Ready? Start. Whether you're a busy professional, aspiring food blogger, overwhelmed parent, or a combination of all 3, you probably find yourself thinking, who has time to cook on a regular basis? I mean, if you're cooking, that also probably means you're spending time stirring, searing, monitoring, possibly forgetting, burning, drying out, and cleaning. I'm no mathematician, but cooking for hours to make something that's devoured in minutes, dirtying 5 dishes to make 1 dish, using 9 different kitchen appliances that each do one thing, those numbers just don't add up. Fortunately, the Yeti Total Package Pressure Cooker is here to change all that. This little baby is a 9-in-1 modern-day miracle. It can pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, warm, pasteurize, make cakes, yogurt, and cook rice, plus features 14 preset menu options, all in one kitchen appliance. And compared to boiling or frying, the Yeti pressure cooker helps to preserve your food's natural flavors and nutrients, resulting in healthier, yummier, more nutritious meals. See? Perfect under pressure. Included is a tempered glass lid, cooking mitts, 2 egg racks, a steaming basket, ladle, rice paddle, measuring cup, an extra silicone sealing ring, inner cooking pot, recipe book, cooking timetables and cheat sheets, and access to tons of online recipes. Yes, all included, delivered right to your door. Order your Yeti Total Package Pressure Cooker today.
cooking can be easy for everyone. That's why we designed the Chef IQ Smart Cooker, a quicker, better way to create elevated meals. With a seamlessly integrated app and next-generation technologies, Chef IQ will guide you into the future of cooking. Discovering and creating delicious meals has never been easier or faster.
Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
With a growing library of integrated, guided cooking recipes, you can meal prep at the push of a button.
What's next?
It says rosemary and lemon.
Okay.
The Smart Cooker creates meals up to 70% quicker than traditional cooking methods, with time-saving features like the built-in scale and auto pressure release. At Chef IQ, we're dedicated to helping you discover your inner chef from start to finish.
Hey!
Explore a better way to cook and enjoy more time with the people who matter most, while your Smart Cooker just keeps getting smarter.